the ability for students to explore different ways of teaching the same material, being exposed to the different schools of architecture's approach are invaluable. I think essential for architects to be exposed to environmental design principles and methodologies, because a building that is designed without these key elements, I think, is only a job half done, particularly in the current environment where fuel poverty, fuel shortages and carbon emissions are so important.
La implantación de energías renovables lleva a que tenemos que poderlas integrar en los edificios. Lo importante es crear una nueva arquitectura donde podamos trabajar en envolventes, fachadas, cubiertas, como integración de sistemas, tanto de instalaciones de climatización como de energías renovables. Ese es el gran reto que tenemos hoy en día. Yo creo que se va a generar una nueva arquitectura y esa arquitectura tiene que ser tanto bella como funcional como eficiente desde el punto de vista de la sostenibilidad.
The challenge of sustainability in Asia is trying to deal with the crowdedness of cities, the consumption of cities, the amount of waste that is coming out of cities.
We are looking at global warming, so the climate is changing, we get more extreme weather conditions, heat waves, strong rain events, things like this. And at the same time, so we need to adjust our buildings in our cities to these new climate conditions, but also reducing carbon emissions.
The problem of the city cannot be solved at the level of the building. The building is only one part of the discussion. The really big part is how do we manage infrastructure? How do we create public space? How do we manage resources? And how do we manage pollution and waste? These are problems at the city scale, not at the building scale.
Currently in our, say, Northern European world, which is a limited area, we feel like we solved a lot of this climate issues. We see the link to climate design, so that seems to be kind of solved. Energy harvesting is something which is really on track. This is something where we see, okay, this is development. And then as a next consequence, what I see upcoming is energy storage, either close to where it is generated in the facade or somewhere in the building, which means it's this interaction between building and the building envelope.
From my experience of coming to Navarra, the way that the course is delivered, very similar to the one that we do in Cardiff, is a very progressive and important way of embedding the principles of environmental design in architectural teaching.